The Chevrolet Malibu is a full-featured family sedan with a large interior and appealing engine choices. The sedan comes in 6 trim levels, including a hybrid trim, and it had a starting price of $22,000. The sedan is now more competitive with the Nissan Altima, Subaru Legacy, and Toyota Camry thanks to a minor refresh for the 2019 model year. Although the sedan is selling well, its electrical and transmission systems have had problems. Concerns have also been expressed regarding the vehicle's fuel system. According to Car Complaints website, there have been 111 complaints and 1 recall for the 2019 model year. Let's take a closer look at the 2019 Chevrolet Malibu issues. It's a Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Lighting issues. Many people have complained that the car's lights operate incorrectly. The Malibu lights do not turn on randomly. After diagnosis, the dealerships were unable to identify the cause of this problem and concluded it was random. Some people found a temporary solution by having the wiring harness changed. Malfunctioning gauges. Lots of owners have reported the gauges to malfunction and show incorrect information. According to one incident, the fuel gauge showed empty fuel even though the tank was full. Some people have received speeding tickets after experiencing problems with the speedometer. Unintended acceleration. A frequently reported incident is the unintended acceleration of the Chevrolet Malibu. This problem has caused significant property damage and close calls. The dealer's investigation did not result in a diagnosis of the precise problem. Throttle body issues. Numerous reports have also been made about the Malibu throttle body problems. The throttle bodies had to be replaced, according to the complainants, at a relatively young mileage. The car could enter limp mode and lose power as a result of a broken throttle body. Airbag warning. Despite occupancy, the airbag warning sensor activates and deactivates the passenger side airbag. In the event of a collision where the airbag might not deploy and people sustain injuries, this could be fatal. Vehicle speed control issues. People have reported that the VSC will activate and drastically reduce the speeds. The system's failure to allow the car to accelerate causes dangerously close calls with vehicles trailing behind. Check engine light. The check engine light has frequently come on for people, causing the car to go into limp mode. This has led to numerous close calls with the owners. Malfunctioning controls. People have complained about control problems in models with sunroofs. The sunroof becomes stuck and doesn't respond to the commands properly. The power adjustable seats malfunction due to the same problem that keeps coming up. Shift to park warning. Regarding the transmission throwing the warning, people have complained. The vehicle had to be shut down as a result, and the sensors needed to be changed. Jerky acceleration. Numerous complaints have been made about how jerky the acceleration is. Due to this jerkiness, the car lurches forward and collides with nearby objects. At slower speeds, the car accelerates erratically, which causes the engine to stall. Recalls. For the 2019 Chevrolet Malibu, there is just 1 recall. Rear seatbelt retractor not secured properly is the topic. A seatbelt retractor that is not properly fastened could malfunction in a collision, posing a greater risk of injury. Should you buy? The 2019 Chevrolet Malibu is a fantastic car with luxurious interior features. The sedan's engine stalling issues have led to dissatisfaction despite its good reliability. Even though the automaker is working on a fix, people had to get a number of parts replaced under warranty. In addition to this, a number of electrical problems have previously been reported. Consider these factors and exercise proper due diligence if you decide to purchase a used Malibu.